Northern Nigeria covers almost 80% of the country. We ruled Nigeria for 47 out of 62 years after independence. Yet today, the North records the highest number of out-of-school children, the highest poverty rate, the highest level of insurgency, banditry, Islamic terrorism, the highest level of disease, the highest maternal deaths during childbirth, the highest child mortality. Meanwhile, the Nigerian Civil War lasted 30 months and was fought almost entirely in the east. The entire Nigeria, with its military might, with the support of the British, Soviet Union, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey, fought the Igbos. The region was leveled. People were left with absolutely nothing. The Igbos rebuilt from scratch. Today, the East records the following: the lowest poverty levels, the highest literacy rates, the lowest maternal deaths. A small group of elites held power for decades, not to develop the North nor the entire Nigeria, but for being stooge and slaves of the British in their own country, looting the country and sharing amongst themselves while using tribal and religious sentiments to divide and control the people, hence left the country undeveloped while crime rise. The truth is that no sane Nigerian should support a northerner to rule Nigeria again that don't have what it takes. For more than 4 decades in leadership, northerners have produced nothing tangible to justify that power. No good education system, no functional health care, no security, no economic upliftment of their people, not to talk of other Nigerians. Anybody visiting Nigeria for the first time would think the Civil War was fought in the North and that they're still suffering from its effect. They keep holding their people down under the guise of religious delusion and make away with public funds. They say Boko is haram. That literally means that Western education is evil. Western education is evil. Western education is haram. Yet they send their children to Oxford and Harvard universities to study. They humiliate and their girl children, say that sending the girl child to school is evil, subject them to child labor and marriage. The worst of it is that these northern youths don't fight to liberate themselves. So, educating the girl child is not Islamic, yet their wives and daughters are professors and doctors. Anyone caught in the act of stealing items like food, phones, or other little things should be flogged and his hands should be cut off according to the Sharia law. Yet they loot billions of public funds and get praised by this same people. Literally, the North is the reason Nigeria remains underdeveloped and decaying badly by the day. It is time northern youths hold their leaders accountable. If possible, beat them in the streets. In an unjust society, silence is a crime. Follow Stand Up for what is right in all platforms. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.